learners, today we are going to start with chapter 5, India, geographical region. So in this chapter, I will tell you about India, different geographical region, right? I will tell you about the physical features also, different mountains we have. If we start from your J&K to Arunachal Pradesh, we have what? Your Himalaya ranges. So let's move to the chapter. I will tell you about the northern mountain, northern plain, Great Indian Desert, southern plateau, coastal plain and island. We have two types of island, Andaman and Nicobar and your Lakshadweep Island. So this is a map of India. You can see here, here lies your Himalaya. This is your Deccan Plateau. If we talk about, this is your Himalaya, this is your northern plain. Here lies your Thar Desert, that is Great Indian Desert. This is Deccan Plateau. This is a plateau region, right? And this is your island, Lakshadweep Island and Andaman and Nicobar Island. So we live in India. It is very big country and the 7th largest country in the world. It is a part of continent of Asia. Where does it lie? It lies in the south central part of Asia. It is surrounded by what? Indian Ocean. On the south, here is your Indian Ocean. Bay of Bengal on the east, right? This is Bay of Bengal. And Arabian Sea on the west, right? In the north, if we talk about, it is bounded by world highest mountain ranges, this, Himalaya, right? So our neighboring countries like Pakistan, Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, China, Bhutan, Maldives and mainland. We have 6 physical regions of India and what we call them geographical region. First, we have northern mountains. Here is your northern mountains. You can see over here. This is Karakoram range, right? This is Great Himalaya. If we talk about, we have Central Himalaya and Eastern Himalaya. So in the north, if we talk about, we have high ranges of mountain called Himalayas. These have the highest peak in the world, Mount Everest. What is Mount Everest? It is the highest peak. And the high peaks are covered with snow throughout the year. Big rivers like Ganga, Yamuna and Brahmaputra. It's originate from Himalayas only and there are the thick forests on the lower slopes. And the reason called Tarai region, what is provide food to wild animals. We have northern plains. What are northern plains? To the south of Himalayas, right the northern plains, also known as Gangetic Plain. These plains are flat lands, river flowing through these plains. What it's do? It's make the land fertile. And this region is thickly populated. Why? This region is thickly populated because of the good soil, right? You can grow different types of crop over here, right? Now we have Great Indian Desert, which is Thar Desert. It is the only desert and the northwestern part of the desert is known as Thar Desert, Great Indian. Here, this region receives very little rainfall. Life is very difficult and camel is the main mean of transport in the said region. And what we call camel? Camel, it is known as ship of desert. Next is southern plateau, right? Where does it lie? It lies in the south of, it is also known as Deccan Plateau, right? It is conical in shape and what we call it peninsula. Why peninsula? Because it is surrounded by water on 3 sides, right? So a peninsula is a piece of land surrounded by large water body on 3 sides. Like we have Bay of Bengal in the east, Arabian Sea to the west and Indian Ocean in the south, right? We have Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. Western Ghats lies in the western part, Eastern Ghats in the east. We have many rivers that originate from these like Godavari, Krishna, Mahanadi and Narmada. Let's study about coastal region. What are coastal plains? Along the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal are the coastal plains. These plains are very fertile. What they provide? Easy access to sea and availability of fish is educate, right? In large number you see and the number of people, what they do fishing over there. So we have Iceland next. India is also the home to several small islands on the eastern and the western side, right? The group of island in the west is known as Lakshadweep. I have shown you in the map in the starting only, right? Where does the Lakshadweep lie? On the west side. Andaman and Nicobar on the east side. We see great variety of weather condition in different parts of India. Some area are always covered with snow. It is very cold in this part and other part are hot. Some part receive heavy rainfall, some does not receive and due to these variation, you will see that the lifestyle of the people differ from one region to another. We eat different types of food in the another reason. Clothing is different, habitat is different. Right? In spite of this variation, people of India are united by their common love for their country. Right? So this is all I have told you about the diversity of our country, India. Right? Hope you understood all the physical feature. Now we will meet in the next class. Till then, thank you for learning with me. Keep enjoying.